absolute superstar.
So impressive. Thank you very much, Nat. Well, it's time now for another check on the weather with Mimi Becker. How are things shaping up for Christmas Eve, Mimi?
Well, Steph, it's not going to be as nice as today. There'll be partly cloudy skies in the morning, but showers are expected to develop in the late afternoon. So there'll be wet conditions for carols by candlelight. I'll have all the Christmas weather details next. Hello again. It's been another beautiful sunny day across Melbourne. After a low of 13 degrees, the city peaked at 23. A few northern suburbs warmed up to 27 degrees. It climbed to the low to mid-20s elsewhere. Further out, locations along the Murray made it to the 30s. It was a bit cooler in the south with maximums in the low 20s. And there's been isolated showers in the state's north, but generally nothing more than a few millimetres has been recorded so far. There'll be much more tomorrow, though. A trough will extend over the state, bringing scattered showers and a chance of thunderstorms. Then on Christmas Day, a low will move over northern Victoria, and that will deliver even more wet and stormy weather, with central and northern districts forecast to get 35 to 45 millimetres. Winds will also be gusty at times in the south. The showers will continue on Boxing Day with the heaviest falls expected in the state's east. Now taking a look around the country tomorrow, and it will be a wet and stormy Christmas Eve for the eastern capitals. Up to 20 millimetres of showers is forecast for Brisbane and Canberra, up to 30 in Sydney, partly cloudy in Hobart and a top of 20 degrees, 22 in Adelaide and a sunny top of 36 in Perth. Back home, there'll be breaks of sunshine in the morning before it turns mostly cloudy in the early afternoon. It'll reach the high 20s or low 30s in the north, the low 20s in the south. Scattered showers will develop around midday, with most locations in the north forecast to get 15 to 20 millimetres. Less than 10 millimetres is expected elsewhere. And there's also a chance of thunderstorms across the state, which have the potential to deliver higher totals. The showers are expected around Melbourne in the late afternoon and evening, up to 10 millimetres at Tullamarine and Epping, 8 or less for eastern suburbs. Temperature-wise, it'll be another mild day with maximums in the mid-20s. Geelong's heading for a partly cloudy top of 21 after a low of 13, with up to 6 millimetres of showers from the afternoon. The city can expect up to 9 millimetres with a maximum of 23 degrees. So there'll be showery skies for carols by candlelight tomorrow night, but it should stay mild around 18 degrees at 9 p.m. Then a wet Christmas Day, up to 30 millimetres with the chance of a thunderstorm and a top of 23 degrees. 23 again on Boxing Day with 7 millimetres in the morning and afternoon. Cloudy with a light shower on Wednesday, 25 degrees for Thursday. Breaks of sunshine on Friday and 22 degrees. It'll be grey skies and 21 next Saturday. It'll be a partly cloudy start to Christmas Eve tomorrow before showers arrive around 4 p.m. Up to 9 millimetres is forecast for the city, and after a low of 13 degrees, it's heading for 23. So we'll need our umbrellas for carols by candlelight.
It sounds like it's going to be singing in the rain, literally.
It could be.
Thank you, Mimi. And that is 9 News this Saturday. Dimity Clancy is next with the current affair. We hope you have a lovely evening. Good night. See you singing in the rain.